Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the upcoming Maruti Suzuki Baleno 2025, a car that promises to redefine the premium hatchback segment in India. The Baleno has been a favorite among Indian buyers for its stylish design, fuel efficiency, and feature-packed interiors. But what can we expect from the 2025 model? Let's dive in. Exterior design, a sportier and more premium look. Maruti Suzuki is set to give the 2025 Baleno a fresh and dynamic look. The car is expected to feature a sleeker front grille with a redesigned bumper for a more aggressive stance. The LED headlamps and DRLs will likely receive an upgrade, giving it a sharper and more premium appeal. At the rear, we might see connected LED taillights, inspired by global design trends. New alloy wheel designs and enhanced aerodynamics will further add to its sportiness. Overall, the 2025 Baleno is shaping up to be a head-turner on Indian roads. Interior and features, tech-loaded comfort. Step inside the 2025 Baleno, and you'll be greeted with a modern, tech-laden cabin. Maruti Suzuki is expected to introduce a larger, floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The dashboard might see a refreshed layout, offering a more premium look with soft touch materials. Another exciting addition could be a fully digital instrument cluster, similar to what we see in higher-end vehicles. The seats are likely to be more comfortable, with improved upholstery options. Ventilated front seats, a wireless charging pad, and a sunroof might also make their way into this new model. Engine and performance, more power, better efficiency. The 2025 Baleno is expected to retain its 1.2 L K-series petrol engine, but with improvements in fuel efficiency and performance. A mild hybrid system might be introduced to enhance mileage and reduce emissions. For those looking for more excitement, Maruti Suzuki could introduce a turbocharged petrol engine, offering a sportier drive. The transmission options will likely include a 5-speed manual and a CVT automatic gearbox, ensuring smooth and efficient driving. Safety, enhanced protection for passengers. Safety has become a top priority for automakers, and Maruti Suzuki is no exception. The 2025 Baleno is expected to come with 6 airbags, an improved ABS with EBD system, and a stronger body structure for enhanced crash protection. Features like 360-degree cameras, electronic stability control, ESC, and adaptive cruise control could be introduced to improve overall safety. With stricter crash test norms in place, the new Baleno is likely to achieve a higher safety rating. Expected launch date and price. Maruti Suzuki is expected to unveil the 2025 Baleno by early next year, with bookings opening soon after. The pricing is likely to start from 7.5 Indian rupees lakh, with top-end variants crossing the 10 Indian rupees lakh mark. Considering its premium features, stylish design, and improved performance,